YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Smiz. We back again with another video for you guys, man. We are back. And yes, as you guys can see, if you guys are not new to the channel, you've been here for a little bit, you're gonna be noticing that the spot where my car is looks a little bit different, bro. And that's because I did move recently. I did put a little post up talking about why I haven't posted, but I'll get into it a little bit more in another video. But this video, I just wanted to go out for a little drive. It's nice and early in the morning right now. Sun's coming up. I was kind of bored. I woke up early. I'm used to waking up early for work, so I was like, why not just go for a little drive? But yo, I got a garage, bro. Like, can you believe it? For you guys that know me, bro, like every time I park my car at my old crib, every time I go out to take a video, I got bird poop on the car, bugs on the car. But having the garage, bro, is such a blessing, man, for real. My car's been staying clean. Got plenty of space in here, bro. Like, this is literally all I wanted, bro. So yeah, we're about to go for a little drive. Not really sure where I'm going. I might go to a little spot just to shoot, but just want to go for a little POV drive, man. It's been a little minute since just a little quick drive around the new area. But yeah, bro, car's looking good. Quick little update before we get into it. You can be like, yo, why does your car still look stock, bro? It's not winter anymore. I know, bro. I'm working on it, man. I'm working on it. So I got no lip on the car. I got no side skirts on the car for now. I'm not going to tell you what I'm doing with it because I want it to be a little surprise to the video. But the lip and side skirts will be on the car very, very soon. And it's going to make the car look a lot better because I'm not just doing the little regular. I'm doing something a little different, bro. Something a little different. So that being said, man, let's get into the drive. But I appreciate you guys for tuning in, bro. Let's get into it. It's that little startup, man. Breathe in the fumes a little bit to start your morning off. You know how you do it. Little CATLESS fumes. Destroying one brain cell at a time. That's how we do it. Man. So you guys know I don't have the cold start on. I want to talk to you guys about this real quick. I don't have the cold start on. Right now, if I had the cold start on, my whole garage would be shaking. It'd be shaking the crib. It'd be insane. But low-key, bro, I kind of want to turn it on just because, like, yo, this might sound a little weird, but like, you know when you're at a meet or if I'm parked at a spot, bro, you with your boys, they turn on the car, loud cold start, bro, like sound mean. And then you got me, it turned on, it just sounds like a little like, bro, where my energy at, bro? Like, come on, man. So I might have to throw it on. Let me know what you guys think, bro. Like, I don't know if that's some like ego stuff, but like, yo, I'm not trying to have my little car sound quiet, bro. Like, when I'm driving, it sounds loud, but like when I turn it on, I want it to sound a little mean, you know? So I don't know, bro. I don't know, man. But you guys let me know if it's a good idea or a bad idea, or if I'm just tweaking. Let me know. Let's get to it. Yo, one of the best parts too about the garage, bro, that I didn't even realize, like, yo, it used to take my car so long to warm up because it'd be parked outside, you know, it gets cold overnight, bro. Now, like, look, I turned my car on a couple minutes ago, bro. It's already starting to warm up. Like, we're chilling, which means we can get into the action a little bit quicker, yo. That's what it's all about. Yeah, bro, I just want you guys to hear the car a little bit, go for a little drive. I haven't been driving the car as much now because I've been taking my girl's car to work most of the days, so, which is good because my miles getting a little up there, man, getting a little old. I'm at like 87,000 now, so I only take the car out maybe like once or twice a week whenever it's nice. Ooh. I'll warm her up a little bit in the morning. Sir. But yeah, for you guys that are new to the page, to the channel, it's my 2018 440i. Right now I'm stage 2, 5-inch CATLESS downpipe, RK Tunes front mount intake, and hopefully
hopefully going to get XHP soon, but we'll see. Everything expensive right now, bro. Like, I got grown bills trying to pay, so can't be getting everything instantly like I would like to. But definitely next on the list is XHP for like big mods, and you know, the lip and side skirts that I told you guys about, and something a little extra. I don't want to say too much yet, but something new is coming to the car that I think you guys will really enjoy. That's gonna switch up the look, because one thing that's bothering me is like I got this car almost 2 years ago and it looks the same, and like I don't really like that. I feel like I should have some progression, like, you know, people when they get a car, you know, within a couple years, and maybe that's social media, like maybe that's like social media influence on me a little bit, but I feel like my car should be looking a little bit different than how it does right now. So that is gonna change real soon. But yeah, man, the car's already warming up, so we can get into it as soon as I'm not stuck at this red light. Let's get to it. Take you guys on a nice little back road that I found over here. The roads over here, especially like early in the morning, which is why I wanted to come out here at this time, is like really nice, bro. Nice and empty. I'm also debating changing like the burble settings to be a little bit less. Like, I think right now I have it at like 1.1 second or 1.2 seconds. So I'm thinking about changing it down to like 0.6, or even just turning them off completely. The only reason like I haven't done that, I had that turned off completely before, but for some reason my car seemed way quieter when I had them like completely off, like in terms of just the exhaust note. So that's why I turned it back on, because I was like, oh, why is my car so quiet? So I don't know, you guys let me know. No burbles, or just like really short ones that aren't that crazy. Because right now, like, if the RPMs go up a lot and I let off, it's like a bit much for me. I don't know, especially with the miles getting up. Like, I don't think it's worth it to have like crazy burbles like that. And then if I do end up getting like a full exhaust, then I'm definitely gonna turn the burbles completely off, because then the car will be more than loud enough for me. For sure. The sun is going crazy right now in my eyes, bro. Oh my god. Alright, car's warming up a little bit. Throw it into sport soon. But yeah, bro, like when I used to take the car out for a drive, like for a video, like it'd be mad annoying, because I'd have to wait like 10-15 minutes. I have to just like drive around 10-15 minutes before I could actually start filming, because like the car was just not warming up quick. So don't really got that issue anymore. Throw the windows down for you guys so you can hear it. There we go. Intake, bro. I don't know if y'all hearing that. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. That is what we need. Wake these neighbors up. goodness, yes. Bro, this car feels so nice, bro. Like, I thought I was gonna get tired of the power after like 2 years, or like a year and a half. But I'm really not, bro. Like, it's perfect. It's doing this thing sometimes. I don't know if like I need to retune, bro, but like sometimes the burbles just don't go off, bro, at like downshifting. I don't know if that's like an issue or if that's just like normal. I don't know. Sometimes they just don't want to go off. They lazy. Posting, bro. Like, let me roll the windows up real quick. I miss posting, bro. Like, I feel so bad for like not neglecting, but like just life caught up, bro. Like I was telling you guys, I had a big move. Yo, if you guys are moving, bro, don't be like me. Don't be cheap, bro. Get movers. I decided to not get movers, bro, and it made my life like 10 times harder in terms of like moving everything, stress, everything, bro. Just don't be cheap, bro. Just get movers. Let them do it for you. Because having to move like 2 cribs in like 3 days was not it, bro. I'll tell you that right now. So, but it just caused a lot of stress, bro. I had some other family stuff going on. So we back now, though, bro. Like I missed posting these videos. I missed connecting with you guys, man. So hopefully you guys aren't, too mad that I kind of dipped. But we back now, man. Everything's straight. Everything good. So we're just gonna keep it pushing. Keep it pushing. I'm gonna try to go to a little spot to shoot like a couple videos, like some shorts, some reels. Woo. I just want you guys to hear the intake real quick, bro. Like, listen to this. I know I be hating on the intake sometimes because it's annoying with the check engine light, bro. But it don't get any better sounding than that, bro. Oh my goodness. Yo, little morning drive, nothing beats that, bro. This is the times that I was waiting for, bro. Like, I'm bored in the morning, just go for a quick little drive, man. Nothing crazy.
messed up when I was recording the outro of the video, and I accidentally recorded me shooting my car instead of recording the outro. So you just have to enjoy a little B-roll of me filming my car. But I just want to say I really appreciate you guys for tuning into the video, man. It means a lot. We're getting back on that grind, posting. I'm gonna try to be posting at least like 2-3 videos a week, maybe even more if I can. But I really appreciate you guys tuning in. Like I said, if you haven't already, make sure you like the video, comment, subscribe. If you're new here, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys want to see and what you think. And yeah, with that being said, I'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.